Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where science beats by Akansha. And today I'm going to talk about heart regeneration and all the whys in between. Some animals has the ability to regenerate their hearts. Newborn mammals can do it too, but adult humans almost not at all. Well, that's strange because heart is the most hardworking organ in the body. So then the question comes, what changes? Or most importantly, can we influence it? In biology, growth isn't random. It's tightly controlled. One of the main systems that controls growth in the heart is called the Hippo pathway. You can think of Hippo as a brake. When it is in the active state, it stops cells from dividing. But when it is quiet, growth can be possible. Now, at the center of this system lies the protein called YAP. When YAP enters into the nucleus, it turns on the genes that are involved in cell growth and survival. Now, what's the catch? In adult heart, this brake, which is Hippo, is almost always on. Hence, cells stops dividing. So, the obvious question becomes, can we gently release this brake? Interestingly, some studies suggested that after the heart injury, serotonin signaling in the heart changes. This led to a specific question. If we reduce the serotonin transporter, a protein called SERT, could that influence this hippo-YAP system? Could that influence this brake? In my master's research, I explored this same question, this same idea, by using the heart-derived cell models. I approached it in two ways. Firstly, by genetically inhibiting the protein called SERT, and secondly, by using the drugs that inhibit this same protein. And then I asked three simple basic questions. Did the SERT go down? Did the YAP activity changes? And did the cells behave differently? This is where biology reminded me that it doesn't like simple answers. Yes, SERT levels were decreased, but YAP activity doesn't change consistently. Some measurements showed an increase, whereas some showed a very little difference. But what was interesting though was cell behavior. Markers related to cardiomyocyte activity and proliferation showed an upward trend. So even without a clean YAP signal, the cells seemed more responsive. This doesn't mean that we have found a way to regenerate adult heart, but it tells us something important. Heart cells are not as fixed as we once thought, and pathways doesn't work in isolation. Sometimes, changing one signal doesn't flip a switch, it shifts the balance. This project didn't give me a final answer, but it gave me a better question, and that's how usually the real science begins. Science isn't complicated, it's just waiting to be understood. Thank you.